Adequate housing is a matter of dignity and human rights. It is also a foundation for economic productivity. It is also essential for social stability and peace. And it is also central to sustainable and inclusive urban development. Housing and urban development, therefore, represent a strategic pillar for achieving Agenda 2063. We also have interconnected themes. These include urban infrastructure and urban development, which are all essential for economic growth, regional integration, accessibility and mobility, as well as service delivery investments. We also need to look at energy transformation as well as strengthen productivity to support the implementation of the African Union's infrastructure. There is also the issue of resilience, building and sustainable urban development, which are critical in the context of climate change and environmental pressures. But also, we need to be looking at smart cities, science, technology, and innovation, which are transforming urban governance and economic development through digital systems, data-driven planning, as well as enhanced transparency. Yet, we also need to be innovative, look at innovative financing to make sure that our dreams can be realized. But of importance is to make sure that we also look at transforming our informal settlements, which remain a priority for social inclusion as well as human dignity. Lastly, we need to be looking at urban migration and displacements, which requires coordinated governance and policy responses. Cities are increasingly hosting displaced populations and migrants, making urban areas central to humanitarian response, social integration. These priorities are closely linked to our broader thinking as the African Union's work program on decentralization, local governance, and urban development. The theme for this forum, therefore, aligns strongly with the African theme of the year 2026 on water and sanitation, which recognizes water as a strategic resource for human security, for public health, as well as for sustainable development. It is our collective responsibility, therefore, to take stock of the progress that has been made by the African Union regional economic communities, our national governments and local communities in implementing the commitments which were adopted during the inaugural inaugural African Urban Forum in 2024. We must now accelerate our efforts to translate these commitments into concrete actions